Hello and welcome to another video. So today I'll be fitting new front strut brace in M140i and new front batch M140 for on the M2 bumper and new start button in this red color. Right, so first things first, we'll do the front batch first. As you can see, a little sticker here. So it fits exactly in the gap, this gap here. Now have to make sure put it straight. Yep, the first thing's done. So all we have to do, we got 3 bolts, 13mm on the one side, and same on the other side. Right, so now let's open front strut brace. So I bought it from My Performance Parts. Cost me I think 155 pounds. Right, I finally managed to get it out. It's ultra racing. Right, so 13mm, 3 bolts on one side. And it will be the same on the other side as well. Right, so I'm just gonna clean it off a little bit. Yeah, seems alright. Now time to put the bolts back in and just level it in the meantime to make sure it's all straight. Right, job is done. That's new front strut brace fitted. Right, and the last thing for today is fit this red start button. Okay, so we got it out. Now just unplug this here. Looks like that. What we have to do now, take this part off. Got a little clip. Whoop. Okay. Put it on the side. So this button here. I don't know if you can see, but you got two little clips in here. You need to squeeze them and then you'll be able to get this button out. Right, so I finally managed to the same as the old one. So it's not upside down. We just push it on. Make sure it's working. Yeah, just double check on the back side that these two clips went back on. Yep. And now put it back together. That's it. Yeah. Now put the plug back on. Before I put it back, I need to make sure it's all working. Yep, all good. So you can put it back on.